Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful, brand new 2024 CX-90 PHEV. PHEV stands for Plug-in Hybrid Electrical Vehicle. What that means is with this particular SUV here, you can switch between either all battery or engine or a combination of both to really expand the use of your gas mileage to ensure that you can get anywhere you want to when you want to get there. As you can see here, this vehicle is in the absolutely all-new, gorgeous and amazing Artisan Red. The Artisan Red has a very luxurious, deep-rooted red that just looks amazing. This is Mazda's largest SUV to date. It's also Mazda's first true luxury vehicle. With this vehicle here, or all CX-90s, you have a choice between 6, 7, and 8 passengers. It's entirely up to you how you want to configure the seating. Beautiful rims. Once again, a beautiful Artisan Red. When we go closer to the vehicle here, you're going to see on the inside of the cabin that first and foremost, how this has changed from the CX-9 to the CX-90. The floor has been raised up so that your legs are straighter when you sit down. And the purpose for that is you get more stability, you get more support and more comfortability for your hips and your back, creating a very positive and amazing driving experience. With the CX-90, you do have 8-way power seats, you have lumbar support. You can also switch your vehicle very easy. What it means by switch is you can change from battery to gas very conveniently with this button right here. As long as the car is in park, you push that button and the engine will turn on. If you're in battery mode or if you're in engine mode, push that button and the engine shuts off and the battery turns on. With the CX-90, we do have shorter shift throws as well. You still get to utilize a lot of the Mazda benefits. You get heated seats, dual climate control, you do get the heads-up active display, all of Mazda's safety features, sorry for the hand, such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure assist, radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring. Mazda has some new features as well. You have emergency lane keep assist, which is absolutely phenomenal. If you end up in the emergency lane on the highway as you're getting off, if the vehicle detects another vehicle coming, the Mazda will pull you back into the emergency lane. Mazda also has a feature for all of their brands, and that's the My Mazda app. With the My Mazda app, you can remotely start your car from anywhere. However, the CX-90, due to the fact that it's a battery-powered vehicle, you don't have a need to start your car. But what you do have a need to do is to turn on the heat in the winter, turn on the air conditioning in the summer. So if you're in the house, you're at work, you're getting ready to leave, you go into My Mazda app and you can turn on the heat or the air conditioning without turning on the car. Come outside, you get in, turn your car on, your car is nice and cool or nice and warm, depending on how you set it. So once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, standing here in front of the all-new 2024 CX-90 Premium PHEV. Come and see me here. I'd love to take you for a test drive, show you all the wonderful features, bells and whistles, and show you how absolutely amazing it is to drive this vehicle. I'll look for you on the lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.